Tuesday in the morning, about 9:30, 10 o'clock. I wanted to show you guys something that I've been researching and working around. My brother decided to buy some, let's just call it what it is, counterfeit green teeth. Okay, I won't say the supplier or the manufacturer or anything. I know they're made in China, and he's been running them on his 2550 machine. Well, I was low on teeth the other day, and he gave me a couple. Okay, so decided let me try them out and see. He said, let me know what you think the difference is. Okay, first few days I had some problems. And then yesterday I noticed, inside a stump we all find different things. You find, for me, I'm finding old pieces of metal or extremely hard piece of rock, or you never know what you're going to encounter. Okay, I'm going to show you the teeth, and then I'll flip back and talk to you about it. Okay. Okay. First of all, this is a green teeth, and this is their wear sharp. Okay, I had it on one side of the wheel, I had this one on the other side. I encountered the same piece of steel. And I've done a lot of times checking on this. Now, some of you guys are on green teeth. This was what's called, to me, I'll call it an explode. This corner of the tooth hit something real hard, coming the other way also, and it just fractured the carbide. Okay, fractured and exploded it off, basically chipped it off. Okay, all right. This is a wear sharp. All right, and you can tell too it's a green teeth by the print in the center of it. Okay, the counterfeits won't have anything written on there. I explained that in another video that you can look up. Now, the counterfeits. Now, you would think it happened only one time, right? This has happened numerous times, and now it's happening to my brother too. Look, now you're looking at this going, well, what the hell? I don't know. Turn it sideways. Something's missing. There's no carbide. Okay? Let me show you another one. This was prettier. This is yesterday. Look how nice, round. Look at that. See that hole in the center? That's where the carbide goes down, has a dimple, and it's brazed in. It just throws the whole carbide off when you hit something really hard. It just flings it. Okay? The green tooth, the carbide stays on, but explodes off. Now, show you again. The fractured one, the green tooth wear sharp, I could still possibly turn this somewhere on my wheel on the lesser of a pocket and still use this. Okay? In an emergency situation. Okay? I can't do shit with this, right? My brother called a guy. He said it was probably a bad run. Well, that's nice. But my buddy Oscar across the street had another order, and his are doing the same. So, basically, you know what? Stick with these guys, green teeth. They don't pay me. They don't endorse me. I've just been using their product a long time. But I want to show you another little difference. Look, this is the green teeth. Look, even on the outside, okay? They use a lot of, I'd say brass. It's a brazing deal. It is a brass type compound, okay? But they use a lot of it when they put that tooth down. Seems like these counterfeits only use a little bit, and you can see where it was right around the center. And that's what's causing them, when you hit something, bam, they blow up off them.